Hi guys! Sorry if you can't see me yet. No, you can. I'm outside because what I'm doing is very messy. Basically, all you need is baking powder and vinegar. It creates a volcano, just in case you didn't know. Okay, so open your powder, pour a little bit into the lid. Only a little bit though. Put it in a container that you don't care about, or you can wash out later, like that. If you think it needs a bit more, just take the container where the baking powder is and just tap it in, like so. Okay? And then grab what's left of the vinegar and then pour away. And it's looking amazing. And I shall show you how the outcome looks. There you go. Volcanic mixture live on YouTube. Okay then. Now I'm going to go back inside because it's absolutely shutting it down. So that's a wink, wink, double wink, and goodbye YouTuber.